Hello guys, want to make beans with the pepper? Let's dive into it straight away. This me pouring my beans, washed beans, inside the pressure pot with onions. So I cover the beans and put it on the gas to cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I take my pot and put it under a running water in order to quickly reduce the pressure of the pot rather than waiting for some minutes before it get cooled down. And with that, I can easily open my pressure pot. So you can see the piece is half, even more than halfway done. So I just added my seasoning cube and salt, then added little water in order to give me that perfect softness. So I cover it back, then put it back on the fire to get it properly cooked. So you can see the beans is now properly softened to the level I like it to be. So now that the beans is ready, let's move to the next step. In order to make the pepper mix, I use my dried red bell pepper called tatashe and my pepper called bawang. I do soak overnight. If you like, you can use boiled water in order to quickly get it softened. So with my onions, so I put it in my grinding machine in order to just give me a rough blended pepper. So that is it. Now you can see the outcome. That is my rough. So my heated pot, I put in my red oil. So allow the oil to heat up for a few minutes. You can see I added my vegetable oil, going with your chopped onions. Allow it to fry for a few seconds before pouring in your pepper mix. So the roughly blended pepper mix was being poured inside the pot and allow it to fry and mix together. Allow it to fry. So after being fried for a few minutes, you going with your seasoning cube, your salt. So I go also with my crayfish. I like adding enough crayfish. It helps to amplify the taste and give it a good taste. So crayfish is very good. So then I go in after fry for. I also go in with my pomo and my fish. I'll be making use of pomo and fish, panla smoked fish. So after then you cover the pot. You can see that shows that the pepper is well fried. Whenever you see the oil already floating on the pepper, you know that no, the pepper is ready. Wow, this is going straight away to my wife's office.